and there is no signs of reversal in net gas. It has once again achieved the lows at $3. Remember, it is after achieving the highs at 3.55, it has reversed since then and traded bearish throughout the week, achieved $3 levels, which is definitely a key support level on the weekly charts. You can see this $3 levels. From here only the rally has started, and precisely there is still a lot much on the downside. This is the next support at 2.5. So what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with the crash, or we can see a possible bounce back? If yes, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily targets which I share for NetGuess very early in the day with the Asia session. So do watch that also. And yes, in the end of this analysis, I am going to give you the trading levels. Do watch that also. Do watch till the end. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, we did see last week that only and only if net gas breaks past this zone at 3.55, you can expect that the next resistance zone is at 3.7. Precisely achieving the levels, it has given a breakdown again for the last 3 days and traded bearish. Now look at the last two candles here. First, lower highs were seen there, and then there is a wick, there is a tail there, and there is a longer wick there on the upside. It means there is a more downward pressure than the upward pressure, and that is why we can see it trading bearish. Now trading below $3 levels, you can again expect that it can try to give you couple or more red candles before reversing a bit. Remember, trading below $3, because $3 is certainly a very good support level. Now this was the time last year between May and June 2021, last to last year, when you can see 2.9 and $3 levels provided it a very good support, and below that 2.5. So see a rise, retracement, and then this rally has started. Now again it has come back to the same levels here at $3, and also on the upside. Now see this step, drop, step, drop. So yes, it is still trying to trade bearish, and till the time it trades below 3.5, do not consider this for a bullish reversal. Yes, beyond 3.5 you can buy, and you can expect 3.7 and $4 levels. So these are the stops for it if it continues to trade on the upside. And remember one thing, I am expecting it to rise, but see, this is trading oversold, and continuously sellers are here on net gas. They are keeping the prices low here, and hence once it is on the downside, do not think and buy of a reversal. Do not think of a reversal and just jump into the buys. Let it break the key resistance level, then only you should enter. So first it has to break past 3.55, then 3.7, and then you can expect fit for $4 levels. And in fact, looking at the last two trading sessions for the next week, you can in fact buy at 3.25, expect 3.3, 3.5 levels, and beyond that further bullishness can be seen. Else 2.9 is something which it may try to attempt and achieve. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Now on the weekly charts, you can see this was the COVID time when net gas has achieved the lows at 1.5, and you can see this was the pre-COVID time where it was trading in between 2.5 to 3 levels, and it has once again come back to the pre-COVID times here, while though the high before the COVID times was around $5 to $6 levels. Now you can also see on the weekly charts that net gas traded in $0.5 block here. See 1.5 to 2 it traded for weeks, then 2.5 to 3 it traded for multiple weeks, and it has again come back to these levels. So yes, once it reaches below $3 levels, it can first get the support at 2.9. There is a possibility of a bounce back. Then there is a support at 2.74. There is a possibility of a bounce back, and below that 2.6 and 2.5 levels. Only question is whether it is going to attempt and achieve this week or not. Now look at the weekly charts here. See, the candle size is certainly getting diminished, and also if you look at the last two candles, here again it has started to increase. Also there is a top wick, and there is a downward pressure. It means once it draws below 3, there is a further possibility for it to slide further and farther, and how far, that is the question. But it has to sustain below $3 levels for it to achieve the lows 2.9, 2.75, and then 2.5 levels. Now this is on the weekly charts. At the same time, a reversal confirmation is only if it trades above 3.5. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. Now this is net gas for you on the monthly charts, and this is its performance for last 20 years. One high, second high, and this is the third time. The lower high is almost precisely well aligned, and $10 levels, close to $10 levels have been achieved this time. Now if you look at the bottom line here, you will find multiple times it tried to breach this level at 1.5. But is there a possibility that it can drop till there? Possibility for everything exists. And also if you look at the performance from 2010 to 2020, see, net gas was trading in this box for almost 10 years, and in between this it has shown almost a good swing, and now it is again falling back to the same zone. So first possibility, that if it continues to drop here, you can expect 2.5 as a very good support level. First support and very good support, and the strongest support is at 2.5, and below that anyways we can expect a further sharper drop which might take it till towards 1.8, 1.5. But see, that is a distant far. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle here. Now see the previous candle, extremely bullish candle. Now this candle too is trading so far with a downward pressure, and it has almost achieved the half of the size of the previous candle. Now yes, it has come back to an oversold position. Yes, there is a support here at 2.5. So once it trades below 3, certainly it will call for little more bearishness, which might take it till towards 2.9, 2.75, 2.5. But only bearishness, further confirmation is below 2.5, and I will see in next few weeks how it behaves. Right now it is back in the trading box between 1.5 and 3. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? And remember the fact that once it reverses, it is going to give you very big candles so that it can complete the journey in lesser time. What it is reduced here, it can complete the journey in very quick time. Now on the daily chart, you can see it is trading far below the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Also the 20 and 50 period moving average are trading with divergence. The 50 and 100 period moving average are also trading with divergence, indicating increasing bearishness, increasing resistance. Now this zone at 3.7, 3.8 is going to be a very strong resistance zone for net gas, and only if you see it trading above 3.7, you can expect that the next target is going to be 4.4 levels. That is the first part. Next, directional movement is increasingly divergent and bearish here. The stochastic has come to an extremely oversold position. Now on the daily charts, you can see whenever it has achieved such position, it has almost typically bounced back from the same levels. But this time it has come back on these levels at a second time. See, first this was the drop, then retracement, sharper drop, retracement, and now again sharper drop. So I'll wait and see for couple or more days. Once it trades about 3.55, then you can buy again, and you can buy for 4.4 levels in the coming few weeks. Now directional movement, MACD here is at bottom, and it's trading in green with very little divergence. Yes, it has typically crossed over. See, this was the previous low in July, and it has in fact breached these lows and now trading at below minus 600. Certainly this should be an indication that there is a rally which is still due in net gas, and very soon, maybe if not this week, then possibly next week, we can expect it to bounce back till it trades about 2.5. One can expect a sharper reversal from here. Look at the RSI. The RSI is also trading at extremely oversold zone on the daily charts. But see this, for the entire 2021 and 22, net gas typically traded overbought for multiple time frames, and this is for the first time in last 2 to 3 years that it has come back to this oversold zone on the daily charts. Hence, yes, there is a possibility of a bounce back, but let's have a further look. On the weekly chart, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over. This is indicating increasing bearishness, and in fact they are looking forward to a crossover between the 20 and 100 period moving average also. Also on the weekly charts, yes, it is still trading outside Bollinger Bands, which is an indication that there could be a possibility of a bounce back. The directional movement here, it is bearish, and this has crossed over after a couple of years to the sell side. The stochastic is trading oversold. Remember, last time it went oversold, it is almost you can say traded there itself, traded oversold for a couple of weeks before it looks over to a reversal. And also if you look at the highs here, see, it is trying to give you these highs. Possibly it can again attempt to reverse a bit. The MACD is trading extremely divergent and extremely bearish. It has come to, see, we had seen this on the weekly chart that this was an extreme low overbought level, and hence it can counter it with a sharper drop. So now it can possibly achieve, see, plus 1000, so minus 1000 levels it can achieve before it looks over to reverse. The RSI is also entering into oversold zone. Now look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts now, nat gas is trading below its 10 years average, and see everything, the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average are now curving on the downside. This is a bearish indication. The MAC directional movement has crossed over for a sell entry, and it is trading with little divergence. The stochastic has come to oversold position. Yes, it can stretch it further till towards 2.75, 2.5 levels, stagnate here before it tries to bounce back. The MACD, this we did see in our annual analysis which I projected for nat gas in the beginning of this year 2023. I have told you that we can see it trading increasingly bearish, because see, this crossover is happening at a very high level, and hence it can continue to trade, achieve these levels before it looks over to a bounce back. The RSI here is also looking downwards, indicating increasing bearishness. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels and trading strategy for next week. And before I provide you the levels, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on first week of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now first, let's have a look where to buy. And see, first thing is, you can buy here itself at 3.08 levels. Beyond that, I will expect 3.15 and 3.2. Only and only if it breaks past here at 3.26, you can consider this zone is going to remain important for net gas. Only and only if it breaks past this, you can expect that the next destination is 3.35 and 3.5 levels. Now these levels, once again I am saying 3.2, 3.26, this zone is going to remain increasingly an important resistance zone for net gas for next week. Beyond this, 3.35 and 3.5 levels to be seen. If it trades above 3.5, then you can expect 3.7 the next target, and then 3.8 $4 levels can be expected in next few weeks. So this is going to be important. 3.26, then 3.5 levels, and then 3.7 levels. So accordingly, you should position yourself. Till that time, you should keep booking the profits at every milestone and keep re-entering if you see in trading in same direction. Till 3.5, you should stay alert. Only a reversal confirmation is if you see net gas trading above 3.5 levels. Now on the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.97, below which 2.92, 2.87 and then 2.84, 2.8 level can be seen. Very good supports on the downside till 2.8, below which directly you can expect that we are looking forward to 2.74, 2.6 and 2.5 levels. Remember, this is going to be a very good support level. So there could be a possible retracement before it looks over to any downside move. Yes, it can give you a gap down opening, taking it till towards 2.8, 2.7 level, and then from there a possible bounce back can be expected, and hence trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily targets. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Trade as per the levels strictly. Thank you.